Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm going to be showing you around this absolutely stunning Mercedes-Benz A-Class A35 AMG. Now this vehicle is a Motormatch approved vehicle and so comes with 30 days or a 1,000-mile warranty. If this car does interest you at any point throughout the video, then please feel free to give us a call on 01244 311 404. Moving across the front, you can see it's a 21 plate, comes with 35,000 miles on the clock from one previous owner, and it has got a full dealership service history, having been serviced at 15,000 and 32,000 miles. Now the car comes with a 19-inch AMG multi-spoke high gloss black alloys, and the car itself is finished in the Cosmos black metallic. It does also boast the Maxton design side skirt and front lip, as well as rear diffusers. These were worth over £300. Now taking a look at your rear seating here, you've got your fan controls in the centre, USB-C charging port, full leather upholstery inside, a lovely armrest and cup holder combination, as well as ISOFIX mounting points on the two outer rear seats. Now a little bit more information about this vehicle. It comes with the turbocharged 2-litre 4-cylinder offering 302 horsepower and making a 0 to 60 of just 4.3 seconds, so this car is quick. It does also boast plenty of space in the back there, as you can see, and tons of excellent options inside. Taking a quick look in here, got the AMG steering wheel there, the gorgeous huge 12.3-inch dashboard there. We've also got the sport seats in the front here, which hold you in nice and tightly, and you have also got manual seat adjustment there to the right. Now inside for a more detailed look, on the door here, 4 electric windows and electrically adjustable door mirrors with the power folding function. You've also got heated seats for the driver and passenger, keeping you nice and toasty during those colder winter months. Just behind the steering wheel as well, you'll find your automatic lighting, electronic parking brake, as well as your side lights. On the steering wheel itself, multifunction buttons for your cockpit dash, as well as your main media screen. Now taking a look at that cockpit dash here, this gorgeous system is actually customizable, so you can actually change the face on the actual system. So if we slide over to the styles and displays here, we can actually bring up the Super Sport mode, which gives you all your sporty options that you would like to see, especially if you took this on a track day. And if you're going about your daily business, you can flick through the other options such as your navigation. Now onto your main media screen, we'll start off with the phone option. It does offer Bluetooth, so you can connect for hands-free calling when on the go. Ideal if you don't want to have to pull over to answer that call. You can do so nice and easily through the system. Now as I said, it does come with a navigation system. Gorgeous map here, which is nice and clear. You can also see nearby points of interest as well, all your options along the bottom there, and the input for the address. Radio stars the FM, DAB and AM options. DAB does offer stations from all across the country as well, so you've got plenty of music to choose from there. On your media, you can connect via Bluetooth for Bluetooth audio as well as USB, so you can stream your own music that way, making it nice and easy to listen to your own tunes. Under the comfort option here, we have got the ambient lighting, so you can choose up to 64 different colours, or you can use the multicolour option there, and this will change the lights on the dashboard, on the door cards as well, giving the car a nice feel there. Now onto the Track Pace option here. This offers plenty of options for when you're on a race day. You've got the track race option there, it'll come up with all the information there for you. You even have a drag race mode where it'll show you all the statistics of the vehicle once you have finished that race. We've also got the performance options here, so you can see the G-force there, as well as the bar option. Also got dynamic select in this vehicle, so it offers you different driving modes with the individual, comfort and sport, and you do also have slippery, as this car is 4MATIC, so it does offer the 4-wheel drive. You've also got the Mercedes Me and apps option there with the Mercedes Me store as well as the browser, and you can connect your smartphone via that USB cable for the connectivity of your apps. Now popping this into reverse as well does reveal the reverse parking camera there for a nice clear view when parking up, keeping your car in a fantastic condition, as well as those front and rear parking sensors giving you an audible noise when the car is a bit too close to an obstruction. Now moving down on the system, climate controls here offering the dual zone, so you can actually adjust both sides of the vehicle's temperature for your driver and passenger individually, preventing arguments between you and your passenger on how hot or cold the car actually is, as you can see there, they're completely different temperatures. Plenty storage space in here with 2 cup holders, a place for your phone and another USB connection. Options there for the actual media screen, so you can adjust the volume, navigate using the trackpad and your dynamic select. And inside the armrest you'll find 2 more USBs, and as you can see here you've got the gorgeous blacked out AMG key, and this option does come with 2 of these. Now this concludes our tour around the Mercedes-Benz A-Class A35 AMG Premium. Now this car comes with our Motormatch promise, including 30 days or a 1,000-mile warranty, along with flexible finance packages available. RAC extended warranties of up to 3 years are also available, and all Motormatch vehicles are subject to an £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to arrange a test drive, call us now on 01244 311 404. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Goodbye for now.